channel. In this video, let us practice 25 C++ top basic important questions. These are about identifiers, variables, and data types. These questions are important for you how to prepare for mid-exam, exit exam, final exam, and work interview questions. These are very important for you. Please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Let us see each question one by one. The first question says, which data type is used to store floating point numbers? A. Float, B. int, C. Char, D. Bol. Float is the correct answer that used to store floating point numbers. Question number 2. Which data type stores a single character? A. String, B. Char, C. Text, D. Bool. The correct answer is B. Char, that used to store single character. Question number 3. What is the size of int in modern C++ system? A. 1 byte, B. 2 bytes, C. 4 bytes, D. 8 bytes. C. 4 bytes, the size of the int in modern C++ language learning system. Question number 4. Which of the following is valid identifier? The correct answer is B. Total underscore sum. When we see in the choice A, there is invalid, it cannot start with digit. The C, price hyphen value, so invalid because hyphens are not allowed in variable declaration or in identifiers. Final space value, the space is not allowed, so the correct answer is B. Question number 5. Which data type stores true and false value? True or false value? A. Boolean, B. int, C. Char, D. void. The correct answer is A. Bool, that have true or false value, logical value. Question number 6. Which variable declaration is invalid? A. int space age, B. float space num3, C. char space letter, D. double space 5 value. The variable declaration which is invalid is D. double 5 value, which is variable name cannot start with the digit. Question number 7. Which type can store large decimal values? Float, char, double, bool. Double is the data type that can store large decimal value. When we see the float can store decimal value but with less precision, the double store large decimal values higher precision. The char stores single character only. The Boolean data types that store true or false only. So the correct answer is C. Question number 8. Which identifier is not allowed from the given choices? The correct answer is C, first name. Question number 9. Which is the correct variable initialization? Which is the correct variable initialization? A, int x which is equals to 10. B, 10 equals to int x. C, x int equals 10. D, int equals 10x. The correct variable initialization is A, int x which is equals to 10. Question number 10. Default value of an initialized local variable in C++ is A, the value is 0, B, the value is null, C, garbage value, D, false value. The default value of an initialized local variable in C++ assign the value which is garbage value. Question number 11. Which is derived data type? A, int, B, float, C, bool, D, array. The derived data type from the given choices are array. The others are built-in data type, not derived data type or basic data types. Question number 12. The size of the car in C++ is A, 1 byte, B, 2 bytes, C, 4 bytes, D, 8 bytes. The correct answer is A, 1 byte is the size of the car in C++. Question number 30. Which symbol is allowed in identifiers? Hyphen, at, underscore, space. In C++, identifier the symbol underscore is allowed. Question number 14. Which is used to store text string? A, char, B, int, C, string, D, boolean. The data type that used to store text sequence of texts are C, string. Question number 15. What keyword makes a variable constant? A, fixed, B, final, C, const, D, static. C, const is a keyword that is used to make variable to constant. Question number 16. Best type for large integers. A, int, B, bool, C, long, D, float. The built-in data type for large integers from the given choice are C, long. The int standard integer, usually 4 bytes. The boolean stores true or false or 1 byte size. The float stores decimal value, but usually 4 bytes. The long is the larger integer data type that usually to store the capacity 8 bytes integer. So the correct answer is C, long, the data type that used for large integers. Question number 17. Correct multiple variable declaration. The correct multiple variable declaration in C++. A, int A, comma, B, comma, C, semicolon, B, int A, semicolon, B, semicolon, C, semicolon, C, int A, semicolon, int b, comma, c, semicolon, d, a, comma, b, comma, c, int, semicolon. The correct answer for multiple variable declaration in C++ is a, int a, comma, b, comma, c, semicolon is correct. Y of multiple variable declaration. Question number 18. A variable must be blank before uses. A, executed, b, declared, c, printed, d, stored. The variable in C++ should be declared before use. So B is the correct answer. Question number 19. An identifier can start with A, number, B, special symbol, C, letter or underscore, D, space. An identifier, the valid identifier in C++ can be started with a letter or underscores, not start with space, special symbol, or any numbers. The correct answer is C. Question number 20. What is the data type of 45.89? Integer, float, char, bool. The data type for initialize the value to the variable 45.89 is the variable should be declared with the data type the floating be the float data type. Question number 21. Which is user-defined data type? Enum, int, char, float. The data type in C++ can be categorized into two, which is built-in or user-defined data type. The built-in data type or the basic data types are the integer, int, char, float, double, and so on. But the enum is, which is grouped under the user-defined data type, which is not the basic data type. So the correct answer is A, enum. Question number 22. Which operator checks data type size? A, measure, B, size of, C, length, D, size. The operator that used to check the data type of the size is B, size of is the correct answer. Question number 23. A variable name cannot contain A, letter, B, digits, C, underscore, D, space. The variable name in C++, it cannot contain a space. The others can contain the letter. We can start the variable name in C++, or we can use at the end, at the middle. The digit we can use for the end or the middle, but not use in the start. But we can contain in the variable of the data. The underscore also we can use. Question number 24. What value does true represent internally? A, 1, B, 0, C, -1, D, 10. The correct answer is 1. Internally in C++, the Boolean literal true represents the integer value, which is the corresponding integer value for the true in the Boolean data type is 1. Here is a true that converts to 1 and false converts to 0. So the integer corresponding integer value for the true is 1. Question number 25 or the last question, where is the global variable declared? A, inside the main function. B, inside a class definition. C, outside all the function and class. D, inside a for loop. The global variable declared in C++ programming languages outside all function and classes. Okay, thank you for your attention and watching. Please subscribe and share my YouTube channel, which is motivate to me and it's important for you. For the next, please click the notification symbol. Bye bye.